Chicken Karahi. Delicious and tasty chicken Karahi in restaurant style. Let's make delicious chicken Karahi at home with homemade spice. First we take ginger garlic and green chilli. Grind it well. Add in pan. Oil. Cooked well. Add chicken. Mixed well. Salt. Add mixed spice. Homemade spice. Mixed well. Grand tomatoes. Add tomato paste in it. Add yogurt. Add black pepper. Turmeric. Cooked well. Garnish with green coriander, ginger and chopped green chilli. Ready for eat. Alhamdulillah and be happy. Make delicious and tasty chicken Karahi. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.